Hi, I'm Connor Bradley with Denison Yachting. Behind me is the 41 CS from Solace, and I'm going to show you why it's the most versatile center console on the market. As the current flagship of the Solace lineup, the 41 CS incorporates more family and fishing features into one center console than ever seen in the industry. This boat comes standard with features that are normally optional on any other brand. Before I show you around the boat, I'd like to highlight a few of the innovations that make the Solace brand so impressive. First is the design of this double-stepped hull, which has been specifically engineered to run optimally in the cruising speed ranges, allowing you to go further, faster. My absolute favorite feature on this boat, and what sets it apart from everything in its class, is the use of magnets. One thing every boater hates is snaps. There are no snaps anywhere on this boat. The seats are magnetic, and although you might think they might slide around, they're not going anywhere. I was a little skeptical until we took this thing on a crossing from Bimini to South Florida. We were hauling super fast at some pretty rough seas, and they didn't move an inch. Also in line with that versatility, you can mix and match them wherever you want. Let's start today's walkthrough all the way aft, where you can see this boat is powered by quad 400 Mercury Verados. If that's not enough for you, it can be optioned up to 1,800 horsepower with quad 450Rs or triple 600s. Coming a bit forward in the transom, the avid fisherman will be super stoked. You've got 11 rod holders across the back, twin 50-gallon live wells, and a 65-gallon fish box with bait trays included. Also back here is your cutting board, also on magnets. Pick it up, place it wherever you want it. It's not going anywhere. Moving into the cockpit, you've got a ton of room back here for an incredible fishing experience. If you need it, you've got this fold-out bench seat for 3 to port. You've got this beautiful one-piece dive door with an integrated dive ladder that folds out seamlessly. This is great for hanging out at the sandbar, doing a little free diving, and it's things like this, when you get your hands on it, you can really feel the quality that went into this boat. Directly underfoot is the quick gyro stabilizer. On any other boat, it can normally cost you up to $100,000 as an upgrade, but with a commitment to deliver the ultimate on-water experience, Solace includes it as standard. Just behind the quick gyro is the extremely quiet mace generator. All the way forward in the cockpit, you've got mezzanine seating for 3 with a pull-out footrest. For entertaining, you can remove your magnet seats. Just below the seating area, it's a full workstation, full basin sink, storage for knives and all your utensils, as well as a grill. Now's a good time to mention your bumping sound system from JL Audio, and no one back here will ever miss a thing with dual cockpit monitors that mirror what's at the helm. Along each side of the helm, you'll have a frigid rigid cooler, grab rails, and a ladder to reach your rods or the optional second station. We're passing the helm. That'll be the last stop on our walkthrough today, so let me take you straight to the bow. All the way forward is your anchor locker. The beautiful anchor, windlass, and fender storage on either side. Moving slightly aft, mirrored on both sides, is 2 storage boxes for dock lines. Just behind, you've got 2 frigid rigid coolers that double as seating. Center line, you've got seating just in front of the console to comfortably fit 3 adults. Storage galore on all sides, and one of my favorite parts is this dedicated trash can. On your starboard side, you'll find your raw water. Port side in the gunnel, you'll find your fresh water. Heading down into the cabin, the first thing you'll notice is this incredible oversized hinge that also acts as a handle. It makes it super easy to close. Once inside, you've got more headroom than any center console in its class, a flat screen TV, and a twin settee that converts into a queen bed with the backrests already in place. There's also a microwave and a wet head, so overnight stays are never a problem. Coming to our final stop on today's walkthrough, we save the best for last. We're here at the helm, where the premium features just keep on coming. Coming standard is your shock suspension seating with flip-up bolsters for 3. You've got your electric windshield we discussed earlier, dual wireless phone chargers, all of your engine controls with joystick and skyhook capability. Here on the dash, you've got your JL Audio, engine monitoring, and premium electronics from Garmin, with this digital switching system developed directly in unison with Garmin, and just above is a display for your quick gyro stabilizer. That concludes today's walkthrough of the Solace 41 CS. If you have any questions or would like to get on board, feel free to reach out.